Welcome to Divorce Happens, the show where we support you before, during, and after divorce with education, inspiration, and a little bit of laughter. Because as we know, divorce happens, and then you start fresh. I'm Olivia Howell, and this is Divorce 101, A to Z. We're here to break down confusing divorce terms so that anyone can understand them, whether you're in the thick of it, just thinking about divorce, or supporting someone you love. Today's episode is brought to you by the letter X and the number 1. X is for ex parte, and the number 1 is a reminder that an ex parte request is made by one person without the other person present, usually because safety or urgency requires immediate action. Let's start super simple. What does ex parte mean? An ex parte action is something brought before the court by one party alone, without notifying or involving the other party, at least not initially. This only happens in very specific circumstances: immediate safety, urgent risks to a child, emergency financial protection, domestic violence, a need for temporary orders before a hearing. In plain language, ex parte is, I need help right now, and waiting could put someone in danger. The number 1 is key because ex parte means one person speaking to the court, one immediate request, one urgent situation, one temporary order. It is never meant to be permanent. It is a bridge to the next step. Courts may issue ex parte orders in cases involving domestic violence or threats, child endangerment, emergency custody changes, blocking someone from draining accounts, immediate financial protection, preventing a parent from removing a child from the state, restraining orders. These orders exist to prevent harm before it happens. What happens after an ex parte order? This part matters. Ex parte orders are temporary. So here's what typically happens next. The judge reviews the request privately. If approved, a temporary order is issued. The other party is served with the order. A full hearing is scheduled, usually within days or weeks. Both parties present evidence and testimony. The judge decides whether to continue, modify, or end the order. So the process starts with one person, but it always evolves into a hearing where everyone is heard. Ex parte actions are not taken lightly. For the person requesting one, it can feel terrifying, urgent, overwhelming, and sometimes heartbreaking to realize things have become unsafe. For the person receiving one, it can feel shocking, confusing, devastating, and for children, these moments can ripple into their sense of safety and stability. And this is exactly why ex parte orders exist, to create immediate structure and protection when someone's well-being is at risk. Ex parte is not about punishment. It's about protection. These orders are designed for safety, not strategy. Since today's number is 1, here's your grounding step. Write down one safety-related question or concern you have, either for yourself or for your child. For example, do I feel safe at home? Do my kids feel safe during transitions? Is there anything happening that feels urgent? Do I need guidance from a professional? Safety questions deserve answers and support. Today we learned that X is for ex parte, and the number 1 reminds us that ex parte actions begin with one person, one urgent request, and one purpose: immediate protection. This has been Divorce 101 A to Z, brought to you by Divorce Happens. You can listen to Divorce Happens anywhere you get your podcasts. And you can always visit freshstartsregistry.com to find experts, tools, and resources to support your fresh start. I'm Olivia Howell, and I'll see you next time for the letter Y.